Students, in this video I am telling you the solution of question number 3, okay, fifth part, exercise 23a. So what we have to do in this question, see here, tan 60 degree plus 1 upon tan 60 degree minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus cos 30 degree upon 1 minus cos 30 degree. So in proving questions, first my suggestion is that you must learn all the angles and their values. Okay, so what we will do, we will take the left hand side. We are solving the left hand side. I am writing here LHS, left hand side, tan 60 degree plus 1 upon tan 60 degree minus 1. Now the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So put up the value here, root 3, then root 3 plus 1 whole square. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square means root 3 square will be 3, square of 1 will be 1, and 2 into a into b. So that will be 2 root 3. So in the denominator I applied the formula a minus b whole square. So this value will be calculated here. Then 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 root 3 and 4 minus 2 root 3. So 2 is a common factor here in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and this value 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 will be come. Now take the right hand side. 1 plus cos 30 upon 1 minus cos 30. 1 plus cos 30 upon 1 minus cos 30. 1 plus root 3 upon 2. 1 minus root 3 upon 2, because the value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So after solving it, so we are getting 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. And this is the right hand side. If left hand side is equal to the right hand side, it means hence proved that this question has been proved. Because the value of left hand side we are getting 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. In the same way, when we are solving right hand side, then it is coming 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. So hence proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So in this exercise you have to do all the questions according to this one. In proving question, first solve left hand side, then solve right hand side. If the both are coming same, it means you have proved. Now question number 7 is something different. See here, what is given? Sin x is equal to cos x, and x is a acute angle. We have to find out the value of x. So in this case, because sin x is equal to cos x, we know the formula sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So in place of cos square x, we can write sin square x. Why? I am saying that it is given into the question, sin x is equal to cos x or cos x is equal to sin x. Both are same. So what I am writing here, sin square x in place of cos square x. So sin square x plus sin square x is equal to 2 sin square x is equal to 1. Sin square x is equal to 1 upon 2. So sin x is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now what, in which angle the value of sin is 1 upon root 2? That is 45 degrees. So 1 upon root 2 can be written as a sin 45 degree. Sin x is equal to sin 45 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to 45 degree. Okay, clear? Now come to the exercise. Question number 11. Cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a upon sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a. We have to evaluate the value of this question or this question. Okay, so a is given 15 degree. Very simple. What you have to do, write the value of a, that is 15 degree. Write the value of 15 degree, put up the 15 degree, it will come cos 45 degree minus 2 cos 60 degree sin 45 degree plus 2 sin 60 degree. So you put up the value of corresponding angles 45 degree and 60 degree. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. In the same way, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. So this way you can solve the question. Now move to the exercise 23a. Question number 1. A is equal to 60 given degree, b is equal to 30 degree is given. Prove that sin a plus b is equal to sin A into cos B and cos A into sin B. In the same way, you have to take as you did in previous exercise, take left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sin A plus B. So sin A plus B, put up the value of A and B, that is sin 60 plus 30 degree. Okay. Now that will become sin 90 degree is equal to 1. In the same way, take the right hand side. Right hand side is this, put up the value and you are getting 1. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. It has been proved. Okay. Question number 4 is same in the same way. 1 minus cos 2a upon sin 2a is equal to 10a. You have to prove it. The value of a is given 30 degree. You put up, first solve left hand side. After calculation, it is getting 1 upon root 3. When you are doing right hand side, it is coming 1 upon root 3. It means question has been proved. Now see, this is a different question of exercise 23C. Question number 1, sin 2a is equal to root 3 upon 2. Find the value of a. So sin 3a is equal to, you have to take which is in the left hand side. In left hand side it is sin. So root 3 upon 2, you have to see which angle of sin having value root 3 upon 2. So that is sin 60. This way, then you write 3a is equal to 60 degree, a is equal to 20 degree. This way. Next, question number 2. First, product sin a minus 1 is 1, then 2 cos a minus 1 is equal to 0. So products of expression is equal to 0 means individual product will be equal to 0. Sin a minus 1 is equal to 0. Sin a is equal to 1. Sin a is equal to sin 90 degree. What is the value of sin angle, which is 1 equal to 1, that is sin 90. In the same way as you did the previous question, 2 cos a minus 1 is equal to 0, 2 cos a is equal to 1. Cos a is equal to 1 upon 2. See for which angle of cos equal to 1 upon 2, that is cos 60. So a is equal to 60. So this way you can do the question.